The previous exhibits demonstrate the recommended improvements to the State Road 710 at North Lake Boulevard intersection for all the movements between the two highways. The reconfiguration of the conventional left turn movements away from the actual intersection will provide for a safer and more efficient traffic circulation environment by reduction of conflict points as well as signal phases. The following video animation will show the point of view for a driver driving through the intersection in the through lanes for the reconfigured intersection. For your convenience, there is a map of the intersection on the top right corner of the video displaying where the viewer is located on the road. The first drive-through would be a motorist driving northwest bound on State Road 710. To the left, you will see the queue for cars that want to make a left at the intersection to head west on North Lake Boulevard. They will stop at this signal before ever reaching the intersection and will cross oncoming traffic beforehand as well. As the camera continues, you will see the oncoming traffic that will yield to allow that left turn lane to cross over. To the right is a ramp that directs right turn vehicles onto eastbound North Lake Boulevard, eliminating the stop for right turn vehicles at the intersection. The ramp immediately after will bring traffic that was previously headed eastbound on North Lake Boulevard to join the northbound State Road 710 traffic. Throughout these drive-throughs, you will notice all the pedestrian facilities that have been added to the design, such as bike lanes, crosswalks, and sidewalks. Please notice the train to the left side of the screen where the existing railroad tracks will remain. Next, we will see the opposite point of view of a driver that is headed southeastbound on State Road 710. To the right, you will see two right turn lanes that follow a ramp to place the driver onto westbound North Lake Boulevard. As you approach the other side of the intersection, you will notice the left turn lanes that have been displaced to the right side of the oncoming traffic. Momentarily, the driver will approach a signal that would stop traffic to allow the displaced left turn traffic to cross oncoming traffic. Once the left turn traffic is allowed through to the other side, through traffic will continue through southbound of State Road 710, merging with the right turn lane traffic coming from westbound North Lake Boulevard. For the safety of the motorists, do not enter signs have been placed to indicate to the driver where they are not allowed to drive through, maintaining traffic in the correct lanes. Now the driver will be headed westbound on North Lake Boulevard. To the left of the screen, you can see the motorist that made a right turn on the ramp that was displayed earlier, allowing right turns onto eastbound North Lake Boulevard from northwestbound State Road 710. As the driver drives through the intersection, they will be joined by right turn traffic from southeastbound State Road 710 that will yield to oncoming through traffic as they both make their way over the railroad tracks. Bicycle lanes can also be seen on the right side of the screen. The final through movement shows the driver's point of view along eastbound North Lake Boulevard. This view displays the accommodation of a bicycle lane between the through lanes and the two right turn lanes that will place the driver onto southeastbound State Road 710 without having to make a stop at the intersection. To the right, as the driver makes their way through the intersection, you can see the cars in queue that will be making that modified displaced left turn at the intersection. The video displayed how these cars have already crossed oncoming traffic earlier in this video rendering. Past the intersection, we see the access to the ramp that places cars onto northwestbound State Road 710 and the merging of the right turn traffic coming from northwestbound State Road 710 as well.